Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we'll discuss the Create and Update Program or Portfolio Components process and key inputs to this process. In this process, the program or portfolio product owners, Scrum Masters, and business stakeholders identify and create the common components and resources required for the program or portfolio. The minimum done criteria are defined and all other relevant business stakeholders are identified. Dependencies between projects are addressed, common impediments are discussed, and best practices are shared. Sometimes, recommendations for improvements to the Scrum Guidance Body are made. It is important to note that all program or portfolio components need not be created at the beginning. This is typically an iterative process, as some key program or portfolio components are created early on, and others could be created or updated later as more information becomes available. Outputs from the Create Programs or Portfolio Components process become inputs to the process after their initial creation. For example, once the minimum done criteria are identified, they will become inputs when the program or portfolio components are being updated. The following figure shows all the inputs, tools, and outputs for the Create and Update Program or Portfolio Components process. Let us look at some of the inputs for the Create Program or Portfolio Components process. The inputs that we will discuss in more details in this video are Company Vision and Mission and Scrum Guidance Body recommendations. Let us first look at Company Vision and Mission. Both the company vision and the company mission are important inputs for any project, but even more so for programs and portfolios. Programs and portfolios should be driven by the overall mission and vision of the enterprise, as this ensures unity of effort throughout the organization. The next input is Scrum Guidance Body recommendations. Scrum Guidance Body recommendations are especially important at the program and portfolio levels as appropriate guidance is needed for a potentially significant number of related projects. Other key inputs of this process, which are covered in other videos of this course, are Portfolio Product Owner, Portfolio Scrum Master, Program Product Owner, Program Scrum Master, Organizational Resource Matrix, and Business Stakeholders. That brings us to the end of this module. We'll see you in the next video where we will consider the tools and outputs associated with this process. Thank you for learning with us.